Hello, wonderful learners! Welcome to English Connect, where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I am your host, Sophia.
Hello, Sophia, and hey, everyone. I'm Jason, and I'm super excited to be here today because it's a very special day.
Very special, because today you're not just going to listen, you're going to speak out loud with us.
That's right. This is the start of your interactive shadowing challenge. Practical, engaging, and designed to help you make real progress.
So, before we dive in, quick question for you. And yes, we want you to answer out loud, even if you're alone. Ready?
How are you feeling right now? Excited? Nervous? A little bit of both.
Whatever you're feeling, that's totally okay. We're here with you.
Now, let's be real for a second. You've probably listened to hundreds of English videos, right?
Maybe thousands. But here's the truth. Listening alone won't make you fluent.
Nope. If you want to speak English, you have to actually speak English.
I know. Revolutionary concept.
But seriously, that's where shadowing comes in. It's like this. We say something, you repeat it immediately, copying everything. The sounds, the rhythm, even the emotion.
Think of it as karaoke, but for speaking practice.
Exactly. And the best part, you don't need to be perfect.
Not even close. You just need to try. And you know what? Even if you mess up,
You're learning. Mistakes are proof you're pushing yourself.
So, why does shadowing work so well?
great question, Jason. When you shadow, three things happen at once. 1, your ears get better at hearing English sounds.
2, your mouth gets practice making those sounds.
And 3, your brain starts to understand English rhythm and patterns naturally.
It's like learning to dance. You can watch people dance all day, but until you actually move your body?
You won't really get it. You have to feel it.
And speaking of feeling it, here's something important. We're speaking in American English today.
But hey, whether you prefer American, British, Australian, or any other accent, the goal is the same: confidence, clarity, and fluency.
So don't stress about sounding exactly like us. Focus on the rhythm, the flow, the music of English. All right, before we start, we need you to make us a promise.
A real promise. Are you ready?
Repeat after Sophia.
I will not give up.
I will show up every day.
I will be proud of my progress.
Beautiful. We believe in you.
Okay, here's how this works. Super simple.
We'll say a sentence. We'll say it 3 times.
You repeat after us, each time.
Watch the subtitles. They'll highlight the important words.
Feel the rhythm. Don't just read. Feel it.
And speak out loud. Yes, even if your cat is judging you.
Especially if your cat is judging you.
Ready? Take a deep breath.
Let's begin your transformation.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I am learning English every day.
I choose progress over perfection.
I choose progress over perfection.
I choose progress over perfection.
Excellent work. Can you feel your mouth moving differently?
That's English muscles waking up. Let's continue.
I understand more than I realize.
I understand more than I realize.
I understand more than I realize.
I celebrate every small victory.
I celebrate every small victory.
I celebrate every small victory.
You're doing amazing, really.
I enjoy the journey of learning.
I enjoy the journey of learning.
I enjoy the journey of learning.
I practice a little every day.
I practice a little every day.
I practice a little every day.
I speak clearly and confidently.
I speak clearly and confidently.
I speak clearly and confidently.
I am brave enough to try.
I am brave enough to try.
I am brave enough to try.
I believe in my English journey.
I believe in my English journey.
I believe in my English journey.
I trust the process, even when it's slow.
I trust the process, even when it's slow.
I trust the process, even when it's slow.
Okay, pause for a second. How are you feeling?
Seriously, check in with yourself. Are your lips tired?
That's actually a good sign. It means you're using muscles you don't normally use.
You've completed 10 sentences. That's not nothing.
That's commitment. That's showing up for yourself.
Give yourself a quick pat on the back. No, really, do it.
Okay, ready for the next level?
These sentences are a bit longer, but you can handle it.
We know you can. Let's go.
My effort today creates my success tomorrow.
My effort today creates my success tomorrow.
My effort today creates my success tomorrow.
I am not perfect, and that's perfectly fine.
I am not perfect, and that's perfectly fine.
I am not perfect, and that's perfectly fine.
Great rhythm. Keep going.
My confidence grows with every word I speak.
My confidence grows with every word I speak.
My confidence grows with every word I speak.
I speak English to communicate, not to impress.
I speak English to communicate, not to impress.
I speak English to communicate, not to impress.
Yes. Did you hear how natural that sounded?
I am becoming fluent one sentence at a time.
I am becoming fluent, one sentence at a time.
I am becoming fluent one sentence at a time.
I get better every time I practice speaking.
I get better every time I practice speaking.
I get better every time I practice speaking.
Fantastic! Don't stop now. I can express myself clearly in English.
I can express myself clearly in English.
I can express myself clearly in English.
Speaking out loud makes me stronger every day.
Speaking out loud makes me stronger every day.
Speaking out loud makes me stronger every day.
I show up for myself even when it's challenging.
I show up for myself even when it's challenging.
I show up for myself even when it's challenging.
Every mistake teaches me something valuable.
Every mistake teaches me something valuable.
Every mistake teaches me something valuable.
20 sentences. 20.
Do you realize what you just did? You just spoke English for several minutes straight.
That's not just practice. That's progress.
And we're not done yet. 10 more to go.
But first, quick break. Drink some water.
Shake out your jaw. Roll your shoulders.
And when you're ready,
Let's finish strong. Each day, I sound more natural in English.
Each day, I sound more natural in English.
Each day, I sound more natural in English.
Speaking clearly is a skill I am building.
Speaking clearly is a skill I am building.
Speaking clearly is a skill I am building.
I am proud of myself for not giving up.
I am proud of myself for not giving up.
I am proud of myself for not giving up.
You should be proud, really. English is challenging, but I am capable.
English is challenging, but I am capable.
English is challenging, but I am capable.
I discover something new each time I try.
I discover something new each time I try.
I discover something new each time I try.
I am creating strong speaking habits right now.
I am creating strong speaking habits right now.
I am creating strong speaking habits right now.
Beautiful. Almost there. My English improves with every word I say.
My English improves with every word I say.
My English improves with every word I say.
Even 5 minutes of practice creates real change.
Even 5 minutes of practice creates real change.
Even 5 minutes of practice creates real change.
Last 2. You've got this. I am patient and kind with my learning process.
I am patient and kind with my learning process.
I am patient and kind with my learning process.
This is only the beginning of my English success.
This is only the beginning of my English success.
This is only the beginning of my English success.
You did it. 30 sentences.
On day 1, that's incredible.
How do you feel? Accomplished? Energized?
Maybe a little tired.
That's normal. Your mouth just did a workout it's not used to.
But here's the thing. You showed up. You tried. You spoke.
And that's literally how fluency is built. One sentence, one day, one choice. 30 sentences! You did it! Amazing work!
That's incredible.
How do you feel? Accomplished? Energized?
Maybe a little tired. Totally normal.
Your mouth just did a workout it's not used to.
But here's the thing. You showed up. You tried. You spoke.
And that's exactly how fluency is built. One sentence, one step, one choice.
Whenever you practice like this, you're building real skill.
And each time you do it, it gets a little easier.
You'll start sounding more natural.
That's the magic of consistent practice.
If you want extra practice,
Just watch this video again.
repetition is your best friend in language learning.
Before you go, we want to say something.
We're genuinely proud of you.
Not everyone starts. Not everyone shows up.
But you did. And that makes all the difference.
Keep going. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself.
Because we already believe in you.
This is Sophia
And Jason.
from English Connect. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep shining.